2 separate trash cans, 1 for trash, 1 for recycling.
Earth Day, I believe, it's every day.
Hi, I'm Alison from the Food52 Test Kitchen, and thank you for joining this very special April episode of what I'm calling How Green is Our Team? With all this talk about being environmentally friendly during Earth Month, I was wondering just how environmentally friendly and eco-conscious our Food52ers are. So I got a few questions to give us some insight on how they're living, and I got my mic all set up on this beautiful 5-2 spoon walnut. All right, let's go. Hi, friend.
Hi, Paul.
I have a few questions. Anna, do you compost?
Yes.
Oh, good for you.
Thanks.
How often do you say you eat meat in a week?
About 3 times a week.
Mm-hmm. Do you recycle?
Yeah.
Do you have like dedicated bins for recycling?
I sure do. Yeah.
Yeah?
Paper,
Wow.
plastic glass. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you have houseplants?
I sure do. Yeah. I think about 9, but
Wow.
I'm guessing. I don't.
Yeah.
I feel like I'm doing really good.
You're acing it, yeah.
Okay.
Caesar. Hi, Caesar.
Hi, Alison.
In the spirit of Earth Day, do you have a moment to answer a few questions?
Sure.
Do you compost?
I do not.
You do not compost. Okay. Do you recycle
I do.
in your home?
Most of the time.
Do you have a dedicated bin for recycling?
I do not. I don't live in a fancy big building, to say the least.
All right, all right. This one, I thought of you especially. How many packages from online shopping do you receive in a week?
Ooh, maybe like 2.
Yeah, a week?
Yeah,
Okay, okay.
not that
I'm
bad.
surprised at that answer. Are you a shower or a bath man?
Showers. Bath is a very rare treat.
Okay. One last question. Do you have like a reusable bag or tote? Like, how do you get your groceries home?
I do. One of
do?
which you gifted me
That's why I brought
many
it up.
moons ago.
Yes.
I still have
A
it.
few Christmases ago.
Yeah.
It's pretty cool. All right, thank you for playing.
Thank you.
All right, what's this game?
Mia, do you compost?
I try to.
Do you have like a bin in your home?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Do you recycle?
I do. I
that's
do
cool.
recycle.
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely.
Do you have a reusable tote that you use, like
I do.
for groceries and
yes,
whatever?
I have many, probably too many reusable totes, and then I have a lot of the like little cloth ingredient bags that I like will use instead of plastic bags in the
Yeah.
shop.
Wow.
Yeah.
Good answer. Good answer. Shower or bath?
Shower.
And
Only
how-
because I don't have a bath.
that kind of determines that. When is Earth Day?
Earth Day, I believe, is April. It's every day.
Oh, I know what this is. I'm not that good, but
No, I made it easier on everyone because I knew no one would have a response. Do you have a moment in the spirit of Earth Day to answer a few questions
yeah.
about, yeah? Do you
Yeah.
consider yourself like an environmentally friendly person?
Yes, I would say so. Yeah.
Okay. How often do you eat meat in a week? You're not really a meat eater.
I cook mainly all vegan, vegetarian. I don't cook anything
Yeah.
meat-based, so that like subtracts a lot. But when I go eat out, that's a different story, and it's usually meat-based, or it'll probably be around like 2 to 3 times a week.
Oh, wow. Okay, that was higher than I thought.
Yeah.
He does a pretty good vegetarian lunch. You make a mean
Yes.
vegetarian lunch.
Yes, I love my mushrooms.
You do. Do you have any houseplants?
Sadly, I don't.
No? You do
Yes,
so well
I
with them
don't.
here.
I know,
That's
I
shocking.
know, I do, but
Okay. When you get your own place. I
yeah,
guess.
yeah.
Okay.
Once I move into a new place, then yeah.
Okay. Do you turn off the water when you brush your teeth?
Of course.
Of course?
hands
Whew.
down. Yeah,
Okay,
That's
okay.
for sure.
What year was the first Earth Day? Just hazard a guess.
1801.
Oh, okay. Not quite. We're going to see what Paul has. All right, you can hold it. You can hold it.
All right.
I think you do better. Paul,
Yes, hello.
do you compost, Paul?
I don't, but I should because I have a lot of coffee grounds that I need to like.
Have you ever used those on your plants? Do you have houseplants?
I have a backyard, bragging, but there's plants to be fed coffee grounds that I'm not currently feeding.
How long are your showers typically?
Too long. It's embarrassing. Probably
Right.
I would say 7 minutes.
Oh, that's not too bad.
Okay,
But it's below like 15 to 20.
below 15 to 20.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. What year was the first Earth Day?
I want to say it was during the Nixon administration, I want to guess, like 60s, 70s, because that's when all the environmental legislation was passed, like Clean Water Act, Clean Air Act. I want to say it was 1971.
So close. 1970, Paul. We'll
Close.
give it to you. We'll give it to you.
Okay.
Paper or cloth napkins?
Paper towels.
So no cloth napkins, no paper napkins. just
Not there
paper
yet.
towels.
I'm not
Okay.
there yet.
But you have a backyard.
Fucking suck.
Oh, how'd you commute to work today?
Biked.
Okay. Do that with your
electric
bum
bike.
leg?
Yeah. Alvin and I,
Yeah.
city bike gang, Sons of City. That's our biker gang.
So we're here at the merch desk, and we're going to see how environmentally friendly the merch people are. Starting with John. Yes. Here's your mic and a 5-2 spoon.
Love it.
Do you recycle at home?
Yes.
You have a dedicated recycling bin.
We have two. We have plastic, glass, and paper.
How did you commute to work today?
Walked, subwayed, and ferried.
Oh, you did them all? Okay.
Yeah.
Do you have a reusable bag or tote? Like, how do you get your groceries home?
I have reusable bags and totes, but I probably buy too many of them, so I might be net even on
Yeah. And then, when is Earth Day?
April 22nd.
Very good, very good.
4 for 4.
One last question, I guess. Shower or bath?
Shower.
Shower. Okay. How long are the showers?
Longer
than
too
it needs
long.
to be? Yeah,
Longer than it needs to be.
Okay. Thank you.
Yes.
You did pretty well. You did pretty well.
Okay.
Would you be willing to answer a few questions in the spirit of Earth Day? How often do you eat meat in a week, would you say?
Probably like 3 times a week.
3 times a week?
Yeah.
Do you have any house plans? If so, how many?
I have 3 house plants, but 2 of them are dying.
Oh, that's very sad. I've heard coffee grounds or rice water. We'll,
Okay.
We'll perk those up. What year was the first Earth Day?
1960.
Oh, pretty close, pretty close. I had someone say 1801, but yeah, 1970 was
Okay,
the first
okay,
Earth
that's
Day.
not like-
Yeah, you're in the range. Thank you. And paper or cloth napkins?
Cloth.
Cloth?
Yeah.
All right. Thank you for playing. We found her.
Oh, you're looking for me here in this tiny
Yeah,
closet?
nice try.
As I'm hunched over looking at samples.
For Earth Day, would you
Earth
be
Day.
willing to answer a few questions about
Sure, lay it
green
on me.
living and whatnot? All right,
course.
Erin, do you compost?
I do not compost. I wish I did.
So you don't have a bin or anything like that?
I do not have a compost bin.
Paper or cloth napkins for your meals?
I'm a cloth napkin girl. I do have some Food52 linens that I love a lot.
Do you recycle at home?
Oh yes, big recycle. 2 separate trash cans, 1 for trash, 1 for recycling.
How did you commute to work today?
I took the bus.
Let's see, how many packages from online shopping do you receive in a week?
On average, I would say only 1. Not a huge online shopper.
Okay. What year was the first Earth Day?
That's a good question. I feel like that probably came around in 2006.
Oof.
Way later?
No.
2000, wait, earlier? Okay, that's good, okay. 1998. 1975.
Oh, you're getting close. 1970.
1970. Yay, we cared about the earth even in the 70s.
So this is Melody, our HR.
Hello.
Do you compost?
My husband does. I do not, but my husband does, yes.
Oh, good for him. Good for him. How long are your showers typically?
Roughly 10 minutes, I would say.
How did you commute to work today?
I drove in on the BQE, which is an interesting experience.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. Kind of necessary in your case. Do you use a reusable tote bag, or how do you get your groceries home?
I do use reusable bags. Actually, there was a law in New York State that required it, so we bought a bunch,
Right,
but they
of
got rid of
course.
plastic bags. So yeah, no, we do have our bags when we go shopping.
Okay. And last question, when is Earth Day?
I think it's like, I'm going to guess April 22nd. I know it's in April.
You got it. Yeah.
Hey, thank you, thank you.
Julia, do you have a moment in the spirit of Earth Day to answer a few questions? Here's your
Yeah.
mic.
Do you want to see something crazy? This is not chicken. It's ice cream.
Oh, it's the ice cream. You
Get a
gotta-
glimpse of that.
You got to bite into it to see the pretzel bone. Wow. That's good ASMR. Julia, do you turn off the water when you brush your teeth?
Yes.
Good for you.
You know why? Because I have an electric toothbrush and it takes 2 minutes, so I watch TikTok while I brush my teeth in bed. Is that crazy? I go all the way to my bed when I'm brushing my teeth.
Okay, I'm so glad I asked.
Yeah.
How long are your showers typically?
Oh my god. I would say 15, but my roommate would probably beg to differ.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Same.
I only wash my hair like twice a week, so the other showers are shorter.
Same.
Yeah.
Paper or cloth napkins?
We don't really have napkins in my house. Paper towels, which is bad.
That's what Paul said. That's
Yeah.
fair. That's fair. And how did you commute to work today?
Bus. I talk about the bus all the time here.
How many packages from online shopping do you receive in a week?
Honestly, like 0 to 1. I don't online shop that much because I never return things.
Yeah, you got to remember to return them.
I have an Amazon graveyard that just says like things that I haven't returned that I won't throw away because I'm trying to be eco-friendly.
Final question. What year was the first Earth Day?
Oh my gosh. Wow, I have no idea, but I'm gonna go with like some sort of like 60s.
Creeping.
Okay, 74.
70.
Oh,
That's
dang.
good. You were kind of circling around.
Okay.
Yeah. Sarah, do you recycle at home?
I do. I have one bin where everything goes in, and then we sort it for our landlord. We like pull the labels off the cans, take the tape off the cardboard. My partner is very strict about it, so yes.
Do you turn the water off when you brush your teeth?
Yes, because I walk around the apartment while I brush my teeth.
You too.
I can't stand still and brush my teeth.
Yes.
I have to like do things while I brush my teeth.
I do too. Okay, so I'm not the only oddball. Do you have houseplants?
I do.
How many?
8, 9, 10 plus.
I strive for that. How often do you eat meat in a week?
I only eat meat here.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, because I tried to go vegetarian. When I cook for myself, I cook vegetables a lot. Then when I'm at work, if there's something really amazing that's come out of the test kitchen, I try it if it has meat in it.
Yeah. When is Earth Day?
It's around spring break because I remember being on spring break with my family and also celebrating Earth Day. So maybe May? Yes.
April 22nd.
April 22nd.
Yeah.
Okay. And then also like a little houseplant tip that I don't know if it's like good or gross, but my plants are thriving. If it's convenient, I put my nail clippings in my plants.
Really?
Yeah.
That's so cool.
Yeah. Because when your nails break down, it releases nitrogen, and nitrogen is good for the soil.
Wow. How long have you been hiding that one? So, we had someone write in that, like, when I asked for tips and tricks for environmentally friendly living, she uses, like, cloth for, like, toilet paper. I don't know the logistics of all this. She doesn't use, like, TP like we all do. So.
That might be going a little too far.
But the nail clippings, that's not gross. That's just smart. That's clever.
Good.
Thank you very much, Sarah.
You're welcome. Happy Earth Day.